Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another holiday collection unboxing. We have received a very special gift set from the Australian Sunday Riley team. I'm so excited because this is actually one of my favorite brands. Now before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming beauty unboxings. If you haven't heard of Sunday Riley, you are seriously missing out. They are one of my favorite go-to brands for skincare. And I actually have several empties of their products, especially the Good Genes lactic acid treatment, which I can't get enough of. Now, they are an American brand that has been around since 2009. I wish I knew about them earlier. Their products are also sulfate, paraben, gluten, fragrance, and cruelty-free, which is so amazing. Their brand ambassador is also Phoebe Deneva, which is the main character from Bridgerton. So today we will be unboxing the limited edition Sunday Riley Morning Buzz set. This one is all about their vitamin C range. This retails at Mecca for 148 Australian dollars and is valued at over 230 Australian dollars. It's a lovely trio kit and perfect for gifting someone or for yourself if you've been wanting to get into their vitamin C range. So there's 3 products, but I've only tried the serum here, and that one is amazing. So I'm actually looking forward to trying these 2 as well. Now I will also leave a link below on all these products that we will be reviewing together today. So I've gone ahead and unboxed this. Now the first product is the CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This one is 30 mils and I like to use this one in the morning, especially if you're using lactic acid or retinol at night. I like to separate the vitamin C away from those 2. My routine usually consists of using vitamin C serums in the morning and alternating between lactic acid and the retinol at night. Now the serum is actually so amazing for brightening and making the skin radiant. It's a gentle but powerful form of vitamin C and includes glycolic acid too, which will help with dull skin and getting rid of dead skin cells. Having used this one personally before, I can tell you that this one works wonders. It definitely helps with dull skin, and I definitely feel like my skin becomes more radiant after using this. So next up we have the CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Gel Cream. This is their new one and it's 30 grams. The new moisturizer is also meant to boost radiance because of the vitamin C. It's also firming, exfoliating, and it hydrates you while fading pigmentation and minimizing pore appearance. This is like a magic pill that we didn't know we needed. Something I like about the texture of this one is it's lightweight and non-greasy. Now this is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making this moisturizer the one that has it all. Last but not least, we have the CEO Glow Oil. This one is packed with vitamin C and turmeric. Now, I've never really tried a face oil before, so this is all pretty new to me, but this is super lightweight and it's nutrient rich to help your face feel more bright and more hydrated. This is also very high in antioxidant, stimulates collagen production, and the turmeric ingredient helps with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. I think you can use this oil as the last step of your skincare routine. Now the reviews are super promising and I definitely look forward to trying this range in the new year. So this is the limited edition Sunday Riley Morning Buzz set. What did we think of this holiday collection? Let me know in the comments below. Now, personally for me, I really loved the vitamin range here. I think it's a great idea to start incorporating this into the morning routine. But I am also super biased because I just love Sunday Riley so much. So if you were wondering what holiday set to get this Christmas and this one sparked your interest, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!